Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pin clip music receiver. This is a little Bluetooth device that you can clip onto like your pocket or your shirt or something like that. If you want to turn a pair of headphones into a pair of Bluetooth headphones, or something like that. If you have a device that doesn't have a headphone jack and you want to use an existing pair of headphones, kind of make them wireless, stuff like that, this will do that. I'm going to leave the link down to this in the Amazon description, down in the description below to Amazon for this. And this is the size of it right here. You have your 3.5mm headphone jack on the top, micro USB on the bottom for charging, your power button, volume up, volume down, and it looks like you'd have two microphones on there as well for using things like Siri and Google Voice or whatever voice assistant you choose. Also in the box we have a little carrying pouch, which is a fairly nice pouch. There is also an adapter in here. So if you have like a car that has an aux jack but you don't have a you don't have a Bluetooth stereo, you can plug this into your aux jack and you will get Bluetooth, or you can plug this into something like a speaker that might not have Bluetooth, a pair of desktop speakers or something like that. You can plug this in there and you can connect a Bluetooth device to this and play it through those speakers. So that is nice. We also have, I don't know what this is or goes to. It looks like it may be for like a cable or something like that. Not too sure on that. You do have a 3.5 to 3.5mm adapter. So again, if you want to plug this into like an aux in or something like that, you get a cable to do that as well. You can also just plug your headphones straight into this. And then you have a micro USB cable for charging. So I don't have anything I can play through it right now just because you guys wouldn't be able to hear it. We can go ahead and power it up though. So it looks like one of those is actually a light. And I'm pretty sure that that would be a microphone. It's flashing back and forth so you can see that it is in pairing mode right now. Let's see. So number 4 is, yes, is definitely a microphone. So you can talk through this as well. Which again, if you were like talking on your device, you can use it as a microphone to use it with your device. So you can see right there is the F350. We're going to go ahead and hit pair. So there we go. It is paired. The light has stopped flashing. It's just flashing blue to let you know it's on. So it looks like it is working. No issues connecting it with Bluetooth. And then if I wanted to play something, I could plug this in, like I said, to anything I wanted to plug it into that had a headphone jack, and we can listen to it that way. Another cool thing, another use for this might be if you have a camera or something with a a line in, you can use this as like a wireless microphone receiver as well, which would be a pretty cool use if you had like a Bluetooth microphone or something like that you could transmit audio to this. That might be a good use for something like that as well. So like I said, I'll leave the Amazon link to this in the description below, and you can go ahead and check one out and pick one up for yourself. I reviewed this one right here, and then the Nullixy as well. If you search that on my channel, I have a review of this one as well, which does the same thing. It just doesn't have the clip on it. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click that thumbs up button, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.